Thinking about going keto? Let's explore the top 5 benefits of the ketogenic diet. Number 1. Weight loss. By switching your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbs, keto can help you shed those extra pounds more efficiently. Number 2. Steady energy levels. With fewer carbs, your body relies on fat for energy, which leads to more stable blood sugar and fewer energy crashes during the day. Number 3. Better mental clarity. Many people on keto report improved focus and mental sharpness thanks to the brain's use of ketones as a clean energy source. Number 4. Appetite control. Healthy fats and proteins keep you fuller for longer, so you're less likely to snack between meals or experience cravings. Number 5. Improved heart health. The keto diet can help increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, and reduce blood triglycerides, both important for heart health. Remember, the keto diet isn't for everyone, so always check with a healthcare professional before starting any new eating plan. Stay healthy and keep thriving. Like, comment, and subscribe.